In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can set up an astrological profile on Snapchat. Okay, so once you've launched up Snapchat, you want to go ahead and tap on your Bitmoji icon at the top left of the screen. And then underneath your name, you can see that little purple icon with the little zodiac sign in it. If you go ahead and tap on that, it is going to load up the astrological profile setup, and you can read about it, and then once you've read it, you can tap on continue. And now you can set up your profile. So you'll put in your birthday, your time of birth, and your place of birth. So the birthday is set in the settings, so you don't have to change that. Time of birth, you can just put your time of birth, and place of birth, you just want to search for that location, so I'll just put that in. Once you find your place of birth, you want to go ahead and tap on that, and that's in there. And then you just want to tap on the blue complete button. Now your astrological profile is set up and it is loading. And now you can read everything about it. You can tap on the read more button and read everything about your astrological profile. And you can also share it to your friends and so on. So that is how you set up your astrological profile on Snapchat. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.